In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Microsoft PowerPoint from one slide to another. This quick technique is perfect when you want to reuse data, keep your formatting consistent, and save time as you build a presentation. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can use an existing file or create a brand new presentation. The process is the same. Once you're in, navigate to the slide that contains the table you want to reuse and make sure you can clearly see it on the canvas. Click directly on the table to select it. You'll know the entire table is selected when small handles appear around its border. If you see a blinking cursor inside a cell instead, you're in text editing mode. In that case, click the outer edge of the table until the whole thing is highlighted. This step matters because it ensures you copy the full table rather than a single cell or row. With the table selected, right-click and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. PowerPoint copies the table along with its content and formatting, so it's ready to paste exactly as it appears. Now move to the slide where you want the copied table to appear. You can go to an existing slide or create a new one by choosing New Slide on the Home tab. On the Destination slide, right-click an empty spot and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. After pasting, PowerPoint may show paste options next to the table. Keep source formatting preserves the original colors, fonts, and styles. Use Destination Theme adapts the table to match the look of the slide you're pasting it into. Paste as Picture converts the table to an image, which is helpful if you want to prevent edits or ensure the layout stays fixed. From here, position the table by clicking and dragging it into place. Use the corner handles to resize while maintaining proportions, and tap the arrow keys for small, precise adjustments. If you need to make updates, you can edit the text, adjust column widths, or apply table styles just like you did on the original. Changes to this copy won't affect the source table, so you can tailor it for the new slide with confidence. And that's it. You've successfully copied a table from one slide to another in Microsoft PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.